Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this channel, we will try to learn some points, some topics. The topics are these four topics. What is the trend importance? What is the trading confluence? Entry confirmation? Best time frame to trade. Okay, it's a time frame. I'm sorry, it's a time frame. Okay, best time frame. Okay, these are the four topics that will be covered in today's video, and I hope you will watch completely, and I am expecting that you will going to get some benefit from this video. Okay, let's continue into the video. What is trend importance? Okay, we will learn like trend is a very important aspect in a trading. It is very important. Like we will also heard some quotes like uh, trend is friend, like that. So why trend is a friend? Did you question yourself at least for once why the trend is friend? Because even though if you are expected a wrong entry or if you expected the wrong momentum in a trendy market, if you expected here a okay, if see here the trend is downtrend, you are expecting the seller somewhere here or somewhere here. Okay, the buyers entered. Okay, okay, the network problem. Okay, my Wi-Fi got disconnected. So let me explain again. If you entered, just a second. If you entered a put option at this point, somewhere here, you expected a put option somewhere here. Okay, after some time, the market again started continuing down. This is why everyone says that trend is friend, trend is friend. Okay, this is the reason. The trend will be very important. You can see here if you consider this part. Okay, let me mark it because it's a very good example for you to explain. Okay, let me consider this part somewhere here. Okay, if you consider here, it is in this trend you can find 28 red candles over here. Only few candles. Okay, 1 2 3 4 6 10 13 16. Okay, there are 16 green candles, 28 red candles. See the probability. Even though if you place every candle here for a put option, you will be in a profit. I'm not mean. Okay, I'm not saying that you should place a put option in. You should take only put option in a downtrend. Okay, at some points, at some supports, the buyers will enter. So I'm not saying to take every time put option. Okay, for every candle. Okay, I'm not saying to take your trades at every candle. Just an example, I'm giving an example. If you place your trades for put option in every candle, you would be in a profit. Okay, you will be end up with a profit. This is why the trend, you should go with the trend, the probability. Okay, trading is nothing but a probability, right? Here in a trading, when you place your trades, always the probability will be 50-50. Okay, only 50% will be your probability, and the remaining probability is against you. It's likely to you lose. Okay, 50% you will win, 50% you will lose. So, to increase your probability, to increase in your winning ratio, what you need to do, you should increase the probability. If you want to win, you should increase the probability. Like if the probability is 50-50, if you get a 51% or 52%, the increase in 1-2%, you will end up as a successful trader, or like you will end up as a profitable person. Like for 100 trades you will win 52 trades, means you will be win. Okay, if you increase 10% for 100 trades, you will be in 60 trades winning and 40 trades losing, so you will be in the profit. right? This is why you should increase the probability. To increase probability, trend is also a great factor. Okay, we'll place our trades, but for now let me explain clearly, because first you need to understand a concept very clearly. So listen, here at the trend you should know how to place your trades along with the trend. Okay, you should always remember to place your trades with the trend. This is the first point. Okay, so trend is very important. The trend may help you to win. If you take a call option, sorry, if you take a put option at this point, for 2 minutes you end up as a red, for 2 minutes you end up as a red, for 2 minutes you may lose. Okay, for 2 minutes whatever the candle you take from here to this point in a downtrend, if you take here for 2 minutes you would win. If you take here somewhere here you would win, or you, it may lose. Okay, let us consider one loss. If you take here 2 minutes you would win. If you take here 2 minutes straight you would win with the expiry time. Okay, if you take here win, take here win. Okay, here it's a lose here. Okay, let us consider it. If you take here you wouldn't take here. If you take here it's a lose. Okay, only you got three sorry, only you got only one lose from one, sorry, two losses, one, two. Okay, here win, here also win. Okay, here one, three losses, just you got three losses if you take your 2 minutes trade expiry. This is how the trend will help you. Always the market will go with the trend. Along with that, if you add some more elements, like if you add some more strategies like candlestick psychology or the price action, just think what will be your winning ratio. The winning ratio will be, just like it will boost up and you will be in a very good profit, right? If you take here a put call option you would lose. This will be a third lose, that's it. If you start taking from this point, this up to this candle, you will be a third lose. Okay, if you take put option here, you may lose for 2 minutes. If you take put option here, again you would win by here, right? The, you will take at the opening of this candle, at the closing this candle you will get a trading result. The result will be profit if you take a put option here, right? This is how the trend will help you. Okay, the trend is a very important thing. Okay, and in the trend what you should know is, always the market will go like this, right? Higher highs, higher lows. Okay, it is in a ranging market. Now it is in a ranging market. If you consider this, it's higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, so the market is, this is a downtrend, this is a ranging market. Okay, you should always trade with the trends. Okay, this again it formed a range. This is, you should trade with the trend to increase your probability. You should trade with your trend. Okay, please let me tell you once again, always place your trades with the trend until unless it nears to a support range. Okay, at the support range, for example, let us think this is a support, the market is coming to the support, you shouldn't place a red candle here. Okay, place your trade for red candle, because this is a support, the bias area, the bias will enter, so you shouldn't place your trades at the support for with the trend. Okay, you should wait until to emergence of the buyers or sellers to know, or you should place your trades for buyers with the additional confirmation. This is how you should like trade with the trend, and I hope you understood about the trend. And the next topic is trading confluence. What is the trading confluence? Okay, we'll place our trades somewhere here. Okay, for example, let me consider this. Okay, here there are some sellers and it's a main trend is downtrend, and here there are some buyers. Okay, let me consider this. Oh, okay, it's all buyer zone. Okay, it's a buyer zone, it's a seller zone. The market came here, it's a very strong candle and a lengthy candle and a very strong bias candle, and again at this candle you can see here the bias got weakened. Okay, the bias got weakened, and for the additional confirmation, at this point you got a seller's entry. Sellers given a confirmation that the sellers will enter for expiry for 2 minutes. If you take expiries for 2 minutes, you may get a profit trade here. Like for 2 minutes expiry, you would get a profit trade. Okay. At this point, the bias again confirmed. If you take a bias entry for after this okay, after this candle, if you take a bias entry at somewhere here, you may lose. But again the sellers confirmed. Okay, if you take a bias entry at this candle opening, you would win here, right, for 2 minute expiry. Okay, in three trades you won two trades, one here, sorry, one here and one here, one loss here. Okay, so this is how it will win. I mean, this is how it will form. And until unless you know the extra reasons, you shouldn't depend on a single reason. Okay, the confluence means taking a additional confirmation, one or more extra confirmation. Okay, this is a support. Along with that support, what is the confirmation that you are taking? Okay, this is a resistance here. Along with that, I am getting a confirmation of a seller's present, so I took a put option. This is a confluence. This is how the confluence works. Okay, if I took here for, okay, I took for 1 minute, it's okay, no problem. Even though it's a loss, it doesn't matter, because I will win for the next candles. With this additional confirmations, I will take a put option because the sellers present and it is from the zone of resistance. Okay, it was a bias area. when the market when the market came here and it retested from the same level, it nothing but a, now it is a seller's area. Okay, because the support converted into a resistance. Okay, this is how you should take a additional confirmation. This additional confirmation is a, you can call it as a confluence. Okay, you can take this confluence not only with the candlestick patterns or with the price. Okay, you can take with the trend line like this. It's a downtrend, and with the trend line you may win. Okay, or along with the any indicators like moving averages. Moving averages is one of the best indicator. So you can take your confirmation with the additional reasons. Okay, that is the confirmation. And now for the entry confirmation. Okay, that just we spoken about confluence, trading confluence. Now I will going to talk about entry confirmation. If you see here, we are getting a rejections. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, it's a downtrend. It's a inverted hammer with this with a strong sellers rejection here. Okay, I don't, okay, it placed this. I why won this trade? Because of a down trade. Okay, I mean because of a downtrend and the confirmation of sellers want to go down. Okay, what is the confirmation? Okay, here the confirmation is this candle. This candle is confirmation because this is a sellers area. The sellers are very strong in this area. If I got some rejections like this or like this, you can go with the sellers. Let me, okay, oh sorry, this is the first candle. Okay, if I got any rejection from this candle, you could go with the sellers. But here the market made a very strong bearish candle here. What does it mean? The sellers are very strong. This is one of the sellers area, one reason. Downtrend, second reason. Hammer, inverted hammer. Okay, that is a third reason. See, like trend is the first one. Okay, first confluence is resistance, second confluence is candlestick. Okay, the now I took a confluence. Okay, confluence means one or two. Okay, one or more. Okay, it's not two or any number of confirmations. Okay, one or more confirmations. The first confirmation is seller's area, second confirmation is seller's area. Okay, this area is a resistance means price action is the first confirmation. Second confirmation is the this candle, the inverted hammer candle, or you can call it as a pin bar candle. Okay, this is from the candlestick psychology. And the downtrend, third one. So I took here a put option. Along with that, I have one more thing, it's a trend line. Fourth, okay, I took this trade with a 4 confirmation. Okay, I won this, and again I won this trade. Okay, again, see here, at this point you shouldn't take any trade. Let me give one here. Okay, at this point of time you shouldn't take any trade, because you should not take any trade because we are finding some buyers present at this point. We don't know where the buyers are there or not. At this point again, you can find a rejection from the buyers in this candle, but we don't know how much strong the buyers are, because this is a very strong bias, and the bias may enter in this candle itself or may not. But if we find some rejections along with the a suitable entry point, we can go, because this is resistance and the strong candle. Okay, and here also, see, this candle is very strong, but we can't touch the bias entry here because of this strong candle. So we should wait. Okay, even though if we are expecting this will become a green candle, we shouldn't place our trade because of the downtrend. Along with this candle is very strong candle. The only thing that the bias entry support is here, like previously the bias entered from this point, is the only reason which will help you to take a call option. So there is no other reasons for you to take a call option, except previously it acted as a support, but we don't know how much strong support it is, so you shouldn't take a trade. You may take a trade, but it is all about a risk. Okay, we don't know whether the market will respect this support again or not because of the downtrend, and also with this strong candle. Okay, if you lose this trade, you may get a entry point somewhere here. Okay, or you may get if the market break, and if the market breaks this support, you may expect the more sellers entry down, and so you take expiry for 2 or 3 minutes. Again, you can take a put option. Even though this candle break the level, you may get a trading opportunity. Or if it didn't break your, I mean, if it didn't break a level, if it took a support, you may expect a another opportunity somewhere here because of this trend line and the downtrend, right? So I will take one more trade after this candle somewhere at this point. As I said, entry point is very important. So let me take here put option. Okay, I took here a put option, but it would be better if I took here a put option because of the downtrend and also this trend line. Okay, two confirmation, I have two confirmation. This is how you should place your trades. Okay, even though if you lost this trade, you will get many opportunities to win. Okay, you should always plan to be in a profit. Okay, don't give any wrong trades, because if you lost your trade, you will get a minus amount, and along with that you lost one chance. Okay, again you need to, how you will lose your chance, again you need to use a one successful chance to fulfill the lost amount, right? You should regain your lost amount. Okay, the next winning trades is utilized for not for your profits. Okay, those trades will be utilized for your recovery. So you shouldn't place any wrong trades, you should place only trades with the trend. Okay, here I lost my trade, but somewhere here I will have one more opportunity. Okay, so there is no need of scaring or becoming a panic. I will get a more opportunities, because the probability of winning is will be very high if you trade like this. Okay, so you don't need to worry. And this is about the trading confirmation. You should confirm your trade. If you confirm your trades, it will be very important. Okay, the confirmations, like you can see the weakness in buyers at the resistance, the buyers become very weak, so you can trust the seller's entry for this candle. Okay, and next, here in this candle you can see the rejections. Okay, here in this candle you can see the rejection. So if you see in a 15 seconds candle, see here the buyer's entry and the weak seller's entry, right? So you can expect a buyer's entry from this point because the sellers become weak and there is a good rejection here. Okay, and next, the buyer's entry, you can expect a buyer's entry and buyer's momentum. If you take expiration time more, it will be very helpful for you. Okay, I would take a put option here if I observe because of the seller's entries in this candle. This is also a confirmation here. You can see here in this candle there is no seller's entry. Okay, no seller's presence here. Here also the buyers entered immediately, but here there are, like, it's a very quiet seller's entry is there, and here you can see the seller's presence are very dominating. So what does it mean? At the resistance the seller's presence is there, so you can expect the seller's entry. So I took here a put option because of the strong candle and the downtrend, and here there is it's a seller's area. This is also a very strong candle, so I'm expecting the sellers may continue. So I took here a put option. This is what a confluence is. Okay, this is what a confirmation is. The sellers are there. I'm expecting this candle may become a red candle, or it may become a green candle, but the candle, okay, but the market may go down because the sellers are very strong here. Okay, we have 20 seconds. You can see we have 50 more seconds, but the sellers are trading very strongly. It opened here and it went up to this point, and again back to the it's open. See, the sellers entered. Hope it may close. Okay, you can see here it closed at a sellers. Okay, it closed at a red point. This is how the confirmation will helps you. This is how the confluence will helps you. Downtrend, resistance. Okay, it's a downtrend. Reason number one. Resistance, like, I mean, resistance means sellers area. Reason number two. And this strong candle, reason number three. The next candle will also become a red candle because of this seller's strength. Okay, this because of this seller's strength. Let me remove this. Okay, this is a trading confirmation. Best time frame to trade. Okay, what will be a best I mean, best time frame for a trader? The best time frame for a trader, it always depends upon yourself. Okay, yes, it depends upon yourself, but let me tell the fact. The fact is the time frame which is like most profitable is higher time frames, because 2 minutes time frame candles will be more profitable than 1 minute time frame. 5 minute time frame candles are most, if you place your trades, okay, will be in will be more profitable than 2 minutes, and 10 minutes will be five more, like, best outcome will be there in 10 minutes. Okay, higher time frames will be very good. Now let me talk about the expiration time. Okay, always, if you have a chance, if you have a patience to place your trades, always place in a higher time frames. Okay, at least use 2 minutes, not okay, not okay, do not use 1 minute, because the the fluctuations will be high in 1 minute. At least in 2 minutes the probability, best probability will be there, so you can expect a good winning ratio in 2 minutes more than a 1 minute. I now, for now, I placed my trades in 1 minute, but for maximum I always place my trades in 2 minutes. Okay, for maximum amount of times I will place my trades in 2 minutes. Okay, so you can see here if when you are placing a trades with the confirmation, additional confirmation, please take expiry of 2 or 4, sorry, more than 2 minutes, okay, 3 or 4 minutes, okay. If you got a rejection from this candle, okay, if you got a rejection from this candle, place your trades at the resistance, okay, at the resistance, okay, at the resistance you can place your trades for 3 minutes or 4 minutes, okay. You will going to win, even though the market, if see here, you take here I mean, if you, for at this point you took here put option, okay. The next candle come down, next candle come down, next candle come up, next candle come up, okay. If you take here put option, you would become win, okay. This is how you should take, because even though the market fluctuated for some time, it will going to win. So always remember to place your trades with the confirmation along with the expiry time is very important, okay. In trading, the profit all depend upon entry and exit points. You should take your entries at a very specific time, okay. You should take your entry, okay. You know there are sellers. When the candle came here, you should take a put option with a 3 or 4 minutes, okay. For example, let me explain in clearly. See, the market came here, I took here a entry point, okay. I took a put option with the expiry of 3 or 4 minutes, okay. The next candle will be 1 minute, the next candle will be 2 minute, and the next candle will be third minute, and the next candle will be a fourth minute. So even if we take a 4 minutes or 2 minutes, sorry, I mean 3 minutes, you will be in a winning, okay. If you take a 1 minute trade, if this candle closes as a green candle, or the next candle closes as a green candle, you will lose. The chances of the market moving, I mean, the chances of market moving in your favorable direction will be more when you're predicting correctly, but the market may take a corrections sometime. So if I take here a call option for, if for example, if I take here a call option for 1 minute, the chances of losing will be there, okay. At that point I will lose. If I take a 3 minutes expiry at this candle, the next candle, okay, it become red. 1 minute, for 2 minutes I am in loss, in third minute I will be in win, okay. This is how you should take, okay. At this point, if you take a put option from this point, you may lose. If you take a put, okay, the second minute you came to a profit, and third minute you would win. So this is how you should take, okay. More than 2 minutes expiry, always remember, place your trades in 2 minutes. Or if you're taking a 2 minutes candle, always place your trades in 4 minute expiries, or 4 or 5 minutes. This is what the concepts tell you. These four concepts are very important. These concepts will be like, like it will, these concepts will helps you to be in a great profits, okay. You will end up with the profits. Please listen to me. If you watched video up to this point, I think you have very great patience. I'm damn sure you will going to a successful trader. You're going to be a successful trader if you watch these videos until this point. And this video is for you people who watch the videos completely, because in trading patience is very important. Some people will watch the video only for 1 or 2 minutes, or for 30 seconds or 1 minute. Those people also fails, has in the trading, okay. When they are trade, they won't have any patience. They will enter the trades randomly, and they are going to fail, okay. If you have a patience like this, if you watch this video up to here, you will have the same patience when you are in trading, okay. When you will trade, you will wait with the patience, and you will catch the opportunities, okay. And don't panic for losses, okay. The probability is wins here. You can see the buyers went up to this, and but they came back because of that trend, okay. This is a trend and the resistance. This is how you should trade with the trend, because this is what we say, that the trend is a friend, okay. The trade probability is more if you trade like this, okay. All the best. You are going to rock it in your trading. I hope you will going to be, I'm damn sure, I am not hoping, I'm damn sure you will end up with the profit rates. Thank you. Have a nice day.